Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm at my mom's place. We are preparing breakfast and let's make bread together. The bread that we eat here, we call it chimodho. This is my mom. So I'm at a place today. We have salt in this bottle and I have flour, self-raising Gloria. I have sugar here. This is sugar, brown sugar. And I have milk. So there is milk. Yes, that's milk. So let's make bread. And mafuta here. Let's do it together. This is the flour. We don't want kuti chiwandise. Tinokuda chishoma chete and my salt. All right, the sugar. Lastly, we add the milk. This is it. Into the pan. So we do this.
No problem.
Oh, ndoburiza. Ndisaburize. Saka ndoisa paside. Oh. Chinocho. Okay. Oh. Ndozi. Oh, ndisaisa. Oh. Oh, saka apa ndochidima. Yeah. Yeah. On top of the lid like this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below. So let's go and milk the cow. Mboyacho. So I'm going to use the Makoni tea here, as you can see. So we do this. They are enough now, my auntie. Okay. Akawanda. Please them. This masamba, let's add masambas. Guys, this is it. Let's put the pot on the stove. Chimodho chacha, guys. Mai! Ndoisa masamba pai. I clean this part with a stick or something because I don't want to eat what I don't know. Mai munoda chakawanda here. Ini one uyu it's okay. Zvipi zvenyu moda chi? Saka ndokupai izvi. Ndokupai ndokuwedzera chakabheniwa. Kwani ndo zvacho. Ndovhara nechiri kupi chi? Asi machiburitsa. Oh, icho. chimodho chacho ichi